I've been sharing with you how to use Korean syrup gels to create nail design. If you have been following along, I've introduced 2 nail brands, and today I'm going in with Mithmillow. If you know Mithmillow already, then you know they are the creators of the cake gel. Cake gels are fun, and they are a good way for any traveling nail artist because you don't have to worry about spillage. So definitely check that series out. Mithmillow is a vegan certified nail product, so if you're looking into HEMA-free, this is definitely the brand for you. Today, I'm showing you some colors from their spring collection, and it's from the, I believe it's the ASI or ASI collection. They have 12 colors in this set, and 6 are syrup, and 6 are mixed with fine glitter. This set is inspired by mousse textures, so the viscosity of this is a true medium. If you're looking into something that is not heavily thick or heavily thin, then I would say this brand is definitely for you. The good thing about medium to thick gel is that you don't have to worry about the gels separating. These are the kind of gels that are really great for nail art. Today's design is a floral design, and you either love it or you don't. I think when it comes to flowers, it can be easy or it can be hard to create. Alrighty, now that my base color is on the tip, I took my leaf gel mini oval and I started creating petals with it. Now this is probably one of my favorite brushes when creating petals because of the small brush size. It is really easy to work with. Syrup gels work really well with floral design because when we layer the gels on top of each other, the floral design really comes together. This will be my first layer of flowers, and then I'm going to mute it down with the second layer of the syrup color that I put down as my base. Adding the syrup gel on top is like creating that depth and feel to the floral design. So you can definitely see right now that it's already changing how the flowers are looking. Now that the second layer of gel is cured, I'm going to paint on the flowers on top. We want to make sure that when placing the flowers, we don't want to cover the flowers on the bottom. We want the flowers to look like they are overlapping and peeking out. I'm going to take a little bit of this purple syrup gel and I'm going to start adding it to the middle to bring a little bit of color to the flowers. Able to apply a little bit of color just really brings out the whole design. And that's what's really good about syrup gel is that when using syrup gels as your shadow color or just adding a little bit of color, it really just brings out the design and pulling everything together. Once I like how everything is looking, I'm going to go ahead and just finish up the design with a little bit of embellishment, and then I'm going to top coat. There you have it. This is the finished look on how to create a flower design using syrup gels. Let me know in the comments if you try out this floral design and if it was easy or hard for you. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, make sure you hit that thumbs up and of course subscribe. And until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.